Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now I'm going to take this item right here and we're going to do a thrift flip and let's see how this comes out, guys. A floral arrangement for the fall? Sounds great. Now, previously, I had grabbed two of those pumpkin wooden cutouts, and then I had a glass that I wasn't even using. I decided to go ahead and glue both of the pumpkin sides to each side of that glass, and that wasn't enough for me. Guys, I had it in the corner, and we're going to go ahead and add a stem using this nautical rope and some floral foam, and I think that we can make a beautiful floral arrangement with this. So let's see how it comes out, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now make sure and head on over to my community tab where there I post monthly open invitation collaborations for everyone to enjoy. So here on YouTube, subscribing to the channel, guys, is totally free. And when you click the like button and full watch a video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Okay, now this video is part of a collaboration which was called Thrifted Creations, but I decided to go ahead and change the name to DIY Thrift Flips because here what we're doing is recycling, refreshing an item in your home, nothing that you need to buy, maybe a trash to treasure, whatever it is that you like. Guys, if you refresh it and redo it, just reveal it and upload it, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now guys, I'm going to be coming on live very shortly, and so stay tuned so you can see when. Now, there's nothing like a beautiful fall arrangement to place anywhere in your home just to give it that warm look. And these sunflowers and these ferns do the trick. Always remember, whenever in doubt, head on over to the community tab because there is where I post the playlist, and there is where you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for each month. Now, doesn't that floral arrangement look gorgeous? I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.